Hello, today we'll be replacing a old start button with a new one. It's a bit shinier. There's the button that we're going to replace it now. Before we get started, always remember, make sure to turn your power off before working on any type of electrical maintenance or even cleaning sometimes. You good? Let's get started. First thing, you need to remove this lock nut at the bottom of the old button. Don't remove it all the way, just loosen it up a bit to where the button's still held in there. Next, we're going to loosen the two screws holding down the terminal wires. Now that we've done that, we can remove the wires and take that lock nut off completely. Let's get rid of that button, shall we? Look at it. Bye. Now we grab our new button. Our new buttons come with a contact block holder on the back of them instead of a lock screw. Now if you see here, I'm pointing out a little divot that is actually in the contact block holder. You're going to have to line that up with the line that's on the button itself for it to properly click into place. Now, once you get that contact block in there, it'll make a nice little click. That's how you know it's in. Now there is a screw here that we use to tighten the contact holder down, and so that it secures our button into place. Here is our contact block. Now looking at it, we're going to have the 4 on top and the 3 on the bottom. The way that this hooks in, there is a hook up by the 4 where you just hook that in, and once it's in, just a little bit of pressure with one finger, you'll hear a click, and that's how you know it's secured. Now that our new button and contact block are properly secured, we'll take those wires that we took out before. Our number 1 wire will be going into our number 4 terminal, and our number 3 communication wire will be going into our number 3 terminal. And with that, our buttons and wires are secured, and you've done it.